Now the good news is I've got a great XC60 D4 to show you. The bad news is I'm up against the weather here and I've got a little bit of rain coming in. So we shall see how we get on. This is a 2015 Volvo XC60 D4 all-wheel drive R-Design Luxe automatic. Get it out. There we go. Let me show you around. These look great in white. We've got the active xenon headlamps up front. Very smart R-Design alloy wheels. You'll notice new front tyres, premium front tyres on this car. If you come around, you'll see the black dots on the door handles for your keyless entry, and tinted glass as well. The white paint and the tinted glass, classic combo, works very well. Rear parking sensors here. Display comes up on the screen. Tailgate itself is powered. Plenty of space back here. This specific car also has a spare wheel hidden under the boot floor, and them seats fold down flat. Just close that power tailgate now, keep the rain off the lens. See, the bodywork here is in really good condition actually. And as I said on the other side, I think that contrast is really very smart indeed. LED running lights, as you can see as well. Good looking car. Right, let me take you to the interior next, and on these rear seats you'll see full black leather, being an R-Design Luxe, an armrest in the middle that can fold out, and plenty of rear seat space. Moving to the front here, seats on this car are in a good condition. This car is awaiting preparation and is yet to have a full valet, but it's still in great order. Let's open this door here. We've got the electric memory seats. These seats are also heated. We've got the power folding mirrors, auto lights and wipers. And as I jump in, I'll show you that mileage there of 59,000 miles. So for a 2.4 diesel automatic Volvo, 5 years old, 59,000 miles, that mileage is incredibly sensible. And this car also comes with some key options. The first one up top there, Harman Kardon audio. Rare option. Sound system in this car is brilliant. DAB radio to help go alongside the sound system, sat nav, Bluetooth. You can see your dual zone climate control on there, and your heated seat display is also on there. Moving down the dashboard, we've also got a few buttons to show you. So this one here is your distance alert. The car will monitor the distance from the car in front, keep you at a safe distance and warn you if you get too close. Stop start cuts the engine to save fuel. Lane assist does what it says on the tin, assist you in staying in your lane. And one thing I nearly forgot, rear camera here as well. So when you pop the car into reverse, you've also got the rear camera. So lots of key options on this car. The most important option I shan't forget is the adaptive cruise control. So set this car to 70 on adaptive. Lane assist will come into play as well, and it will pretty much drive itself down the road. Brilliant. We've also got shift paddles here to take advantage of that 2.4 diesel, 295 pounds-foot of torque. Brilliant. Lovely car, as you can see. Really good condition. Really great spec as well. And we've managed to stay dry. How about that? Now, as with all of our cars, you can reserve it on our website with a £99 holding deposit. We can then facilitate a click and collect handover. If you follow the link in our description below, we'll tell you how to do that. You can give us a call because we are still here, and we can provide you with a car like this in these uncertain times. Why wouldn't you? Looks great. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.